from the mainstream, and we are in Delhi witnessing the latest edition of Emerge Tech, the Multi-City Roadshow brought to you by the mainstream. I have with me Mr. Dharam Raj. He is a former CIO of ONGC as well as a director and founder of Cybersecurity Consulting Services Private Limited. Firstly, Mr. Raj, thank you so much for joining us today, and it's been we're really thrilled to have you on at Emerge Tech. So, what are you expecting at today's conference? Any key takeaways that you're looking forward to?
Yeah, thank you, Simran. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mainstream to showcase emerging technology in the current world. Especially, changing technology is happening so fast that it's very important. We need to have interaction and understand, because the knowledge about the technology, it's in different domain and different technology partners.
Correct.
Unless until they come all together, it's very difficult to understand or follow what is going to happen.
Absolutely.
So once again, I would like to congratulate for arranging such a event. Further, in fact, my expertise in cybersecurity, and I have been the CIO of ONGC, so I fairly understand the entire gamut of technology. In fact, the way it's unfolding and adoption of this technology is very important.
Rightly said so, and like you said, you have been a CIO of one of the largest corporations, in India, and right from being a CIO to now founding your own company, which is, specializing in cybersecurity solutions. What are some of the best practices that you would like to give out to our audience today when we talk about technology and the intersection of security as well?
Yeah, in fact, I have done multiple international certification in cybersecurity. And I feel pained to see that, in fact, cybersecurity is not properly addressed by most of the companies. And my latest certification was on the IT governance and cybersecurity. In fact, what happens that if you see that any security failures or any failures takes place, most of the time people come out with, they say that certain engineer, certain person didn't do the proper job. But what happens that the governance framework is not in place.
Correct.
Check and balances are not there. So what happened that these things are left on the few individuals to look after, but governance framework is not there. Irrespective of whatever best technology you deploy in your organization or your institution, unless until a governance framework is in place, I think the things will not be in proper and incident may happen. So current scenario is that, hackers are equipped with the AI technology.
Right.
Now it's very important to use the AI in the cybersecurity itself. The people have started using it. But issue is again, AI itself is not going to help.
Right.
Unless until you have got governance framework and multi-layer check and balances, the things will not be in control.
Absolutely. And I think a lot of people, we all can, cumulatively agree with that, because in today's day and age, security has become of prime importance, where data is the new oil. And considering all the factors, I think while innovation is happening at its own pace every new day, security is also becoming a major concern in today's day and age.
Yeah, that's right. In fact, this event partner, Tata Communication, I have worked with them a lot. So, in fact, my expectation will be there what they are going to, not only Tata Communication, rest of the partners, what they are going to unveil in the technology domain. I'll be very much interested that what new offerings are, what new things are there, current scenario.
Absolutely. Let's hope for the best, and I'm sure we do have a couple of curated sessions and presentations as well from our partners. So definitely hoping for the best to come out, in today's as per the agenda.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.